Just set it like that. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. My guest today is Kayla Johnson. And today we will be making
clear slime.
This slime. Want to make it? Then keep watching the video.
Hold on, I want to show you guys something. So this is a slime. It's called Birthday Party Cake cream cheese slime that we made. We made this at her house, but we added the other secret ingredient to here at her dad's, and it will be on her Kawaii slime shop.
Yes, maybe though. And today you want to find out how to make this clear slime. Keep watching the video and make sure to give it a thumbs up and like it. Yes, we have nappy hair this morning because we didn't brush it yet.
Yeah.
Okay, and so let's get started. So first, you need something to mix in, glue, something, yeah, and something to mix with, baking soda, and water. First, it's okay. Just pour some glue into your something to mix with.
I would stir up the glue first.
Yeah. Okay. And then just keep it in here. It's fine. Oh. Add a little bit of water. And then mix that. Okay. It doesn't come together quite yet because this is not the part where it starts to come together. So you're just going to mix it. And then you're going to add a pinch of baking soda. Pinch. A little bit more than that. No thank you, not right now. And then just, no thank you, not right now. And then just mix it. That, I have no idea what that is.
It's slime.
Okay, we'll just keep it in there then.
Can I mix this?
Yeah. Oh, sure.
I think you need more baking soda.
No, we won't. You gotta do it in front of the camera. Oh, yeah, gotta go get some. Just keep mixing, okay?
Water. Let's put a little more water. And this is it. So far, at least.
Hey guys, let's go to mom. Alright, Addison's at the store, so she'll call her later, okay?
Oh, you're already mixing it?
Hello, Mom.
It's already done?
I thought she was talking to me.
Good. How are you?
Sit down. Yeah, so, sorry, I had to go get a Band-Aid.
9.
Can I see it? So, this is our slime. This is the one we just made. Super stretchy, super soft, and let's see about the swirl. So you're gonna stretch it out first.
We have pork with
Kinda.
some veggies.
So,
Kinda.
that's good.
I should have made more.
Yeah.
Dad,
And
she's,
thanks for watching.
There was a
Bye.
surprise today.